Okay, we're live now. And here we go. What does it mean to solve a triangle? Solving a triangle means finding all unknown angles and sides. So, for the first example, solve the following right triangle and round final answers to 2 decimal places. Okay, now, I should be able to find everything I need here without resorting to having to use a number I calculated to do it. Sorry? That better? Okay. So, let's see, where are we going to start? How about we start by just finding angle A? Let's start up at the top. There we go, angle A, there we go. So let's see, if that's angle A, from angle A I should say, I can find angle A by realizing that angle A is equal to 180 degrees minus 38 plus 90. So I didn't even need trigonometry for angle A. 38 plus 90 is 128. 180 minus 128 is 52 degrees. Somebody can check my mental math on that. Now what am I going to find? Well, how about now, let's find side A. Side A from the angle I'm given is an adjacent, and 39 is an opposite, is a hypotenuse, I'm sorry. So that's a cosine problem. So the cosine of some angle is equal to the adjacent over the hypotenuse. So the cosine of 38 degrees is the A side I'm looking for, adjacent, over the hypotenuse of 39. Right, D for denominator, or sorry, T for top, T for times. Oops. Come on, pen. There we go. Okay, so A is equal to 39 times the cosine of 38. So 39 times cos 38. 30.73. Okay, good. You agree with me? That's good. 30.73, and we are not told what unit that is, so don't put a unit. And then, okay, so that's two things. Now there's options for finding this last side, side C. You could use Pythagoras now, because you know 2 of them, but that would mean I'm using the side I calculated. I'd rather not. From this side and this angle, how could I find C? Well, this is still a hypotenuse. That doesn't change. Side C is an opposite. Which one's opposite in hypotenuse? Sin. So the sine of an angle is opposite over hypotenuse. So the sine of 38 is C over 39. C is T for top, T for times. 39 times the sine of 38. 39 times sine 38. And that's going to give me, oops, 24.01. Okay, and there we go. 3 things were missing. 3 things have been found. All right. Example 2 does bring it up 1 level in the skill department. You have to make the picture yourself. So PQR has the Q at 90 degrees. So I'm going to start by drawing that right angle. So the right angle is right there. That's where Q is, 90 degrees. And angle P is 39. So I need kind of the smaller angle to be the 39. So I'll put that one maybe down there. P is 39. I might have exaggerated how small that is. And side P, where does side P go? Left, right, or bottom? You sure? Yeah, that's side P. So side P is 9 centimeters. And this time I'll put a unit on it. And okay, so what am I looking for? I'm looking for everything. So, okay, it tells me that the triangle is PQR. So that means that the one angle I didn't bother measuring or labeling yet is R, which means side R is down here and side Q is here. That's a Q. All right, what would you like to find first? Want the angle first? Okay, the angle first means that we can use the 180 trick. So that's 90 plus 39. So that's 129 minus from 180, so that's 61? No. 129? No, that'd be 51. Somebody double check my mental math, but I think it's 51. Okay, so now, what do you want to find first? I'll find R first. So from 39 degrees, that's an adjacent and an opposite. So that's going to be a tangent problem. So the tangent of theta, or of any angle, is opposite over adjacent. So the tangent of 39 degrees is the one across from it over the next to it. D for denominator, D for divide. So get that this is a divide question. All right? Punch buttons with me. Press the right buttons with me.
Is that the right button?
All right, don't be a wise guy. Did you get, where do we want? 1 decimal? 11.1. And this time we have units, centimeters. Okay, so now next, I need to find Q. And from my givens, that's an opposite hypotenuse. Sine of 39 equals opposites over hypotenuse. That's going to be a divide. Q is 9 divided by sine of 39, which is 9 divides sine 39, 14.3. And if you were doing this on a test and you had some time to check, you could do a nice quick check. This number squared should equal that number squared plus 9 squared. So actually, why don't I just take 14.3 and then I'll square it since it's already on my screen. And I'll minus 11.1 squared. Now this won't be perfect because I just rounded 11.1. But 9 squared is 81. This says 81.3. If I had done something wrong, I'd probably be way off. 81.3 is pretty close. That gives me pretty good indication that I did this right. Okay, any questions on how we did this? Okay, that's it. Just a couple of little examples for 2.6. I'll give you guys some work time tomorrow. And the 2.6 assignment is, and I haven't put this on, okay, actually I guess I can close my video down now. Okay, thanks for watching, whoever watched.